So, hello guys, welcome to part Scary Videos Part 3. But there's a twist, it is sad. So, we're gonna talk about sad videos. As you know. So, the background is live green, so that's okay. So, in my sad story, I had a puppy named Bubbles. This is a true story. Me and Bubbles, she was 3 months old and I was turning 8. In those months, we had fun, we had memories. She almost lasted for a year, but things don't last forever. So when it was September 7, 2023, she died. If you wanna know her, if you wanna know her death, I'll just leave it in the comments, or I should say now. So this is basically how she died. I was just sleeping, sleeping, because I had no school or anything. It was on a Saturday. I woke up and I watched some scary videos with my Ate Kai. And after those scary videos, I went to the kitchen to get a glass of water. But then I said, should they check on Bubbles with the window or not? But my silly mind said, no, you should not, Sia. She's probably fine. And you can just watch her scary videos. That's literally an hour. So I just started to begin my day again. And when my mom came back from work, oh wait, no, it was church, because sometimes church is on morning. So my mom went to church. When she came back, I heard her scream. But when I heard her scream, I said, where's my mom screaming? And when I went out, I saw Bubbles hanging from her cage. And when I looked to see, she was already deceased. It means dead. She was dead for a long time because I didn't check on her. And now I think it's all my fault, but I can see it's not mine. So she died hanging from her cage. It was not a rope or anything, or someone tried to do it. It was my dad. My dad said, Bubbles will get out of her cage because she knows how to slide between the bars of her cage and get out. He put a leash, but he didn't do. When she jumped out, she got hanged. So that's why she died. And that's all it. That's my story. You thought you were hoping for longer videos, didn't you? Well, Rafael's not here, and my cousin, Ate Julia, doesn't want to say any sad stories, but I know one of her sad stories. Marker, can I say the honors? Okay then. Zian is an alien from outer space. Zian is an alien and she is in a space, coming from the universe to party and go crazy. I'm literally an alien right now. An alien princess. Some green. So look at my character. Why did I make a laughing one in a sad video? It was my idea from the scary video, okay? Not right now. I just finished it. So if you wanna hear more sad stories in Zian_Kawaii, #clean. I'm joking. I'm a hashtag. So that's basically the whole video. Sorry if you were wanting a long video, but you can make all of my parts views. You can edit that. Don't worry. But if you say you repost this and it's actually yours, don't do that. If you do that, I will hate you. It's just a warning. I don't really hate you guys, but that is a warning. If you do that, I'll go to your house. And you don't know what I'll do next. Okay. So, if you want, can I tell them marker? Okay, I'm gonna tell them. Thank you. Okay, fine. I'll make a hashtag part 2. You will say, okay? I'll just tell them. Okay, now.
Pero dito ako na po sa
Hashtag part 2 na lang. With Paingers, of course, and my Ate Julia. Sorry if you wanted to be it in the morning, but we can't do it in the morning because we have church in PN. We have church PNK. Ma, Ma, what does PNK stand for?
pagsamba ng kabataan.
Pagsamba ang
Nang
kabataan is church for kids.
may napawag na yung
Or like church for kids. INC, you know. So we have PNK in the morning, so we can't make a video straight away, but after PNK we will upload the video. Yes, we will have a video tomorrow. And don't get too excited about it because you don't know if I don't have time, or maybe I'll do it at night. So don't hate me for that because I don't know if I have time. Am I running out of time? And we're going to sleep. We're gonna sleep now because it's 10 p.m. If you guys are saying in America, we're like, wait, what do you mean? It's morning. It's night for the Philippines because the Philippines gets the shade from the sun, and you guys have the sun for a while because we get shade because the moon it revolves around the sun. Like this is the sun, this earth is revolving, so sometimes the sun has shady spots. I really don't know. So don't mind me. And now this is the finished product. So goodbye guys. See you in hashtag part